Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to make this. And while that video was loading, I thought, it could go with any sided polygon. So this time we're going to use an 8-sided, and I'm going to make it a little bit better than this one, hopefully. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page. I'm going to hit the plus sign on the keyboard. I'm going to hold down the control button or the shift key so it grows inside of each other. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing as I did on the other video. I'm going to cut it at the same marking. I'm going to go from there and go up, holding down the control button, and go there and go right, holding down the control button. Then I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. Then I'm going to move that out of the way. We can actually delete this. And I think I'm actually going to make it better if I make my polygon littler than I had on this one. So we need another 8-sided polygon, holding down the control button. And I think I need to make it a little bit bigger than that. So hold down the shift key, and then have that snapped right there. Grab that one, hit the plus sign on your keyboard, mirror it both directions. Take this one and grabbing that node right there and have it snap to that node. You've got that one selected, hold down the shift to select that one. Control G to make a duplicate, Control D. But this time we're going to rotate it just 45 degrees. Control D, Control D. Totally different look. I don't know what you'd ever use it for, but you could do a 12-sided, any size polygon you wanted to, and it looked pretty cool. You could do a lot with this. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.